Hi friends, welcome to Solid Information channel. This channel contains few interesting videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Today let us interpret the meaning of Shivalinga. Does Shivalinga has anything to do with nuclear energy? Let us interpret and find out. Linga means symbol, sign or icon of the supreme power Lord Shiva. According to Hindu religion, Shiva is the power that has created everything in the universe. Nothing exists without the presence of this power, and hence it is known as Sarvam Shivamayam. The Shiva Purana describes the origin of Lingam, known as Shivalinga. It is described as the beginningless and endless cosmic pillar or stamba of fire, the causes of all causes. Lord Shiva is pictured as emerging from Lingam, the cosmic pillar of fire, proving his superiority over the gods Brahma and Vishnu. Now, what is cosmic power? Cosmic power is an endless power, or it is the power of universe. I have come across a few pictures of Shivalinga. Lord Shiva has more number of temples compared to any other Hindu deity. This might be because of the fact that Lord Shiva is worshipped not only as the ultimate creator but also as the ultimate destroyer. There are many designs in Shivalinga representing Lord Shiva. The 5th century Mukhalinga with the carving of face on the stamba. Sahasralinga with 1001 carvings on it. Banalinga, which is in Brihadishwara temple in Tanjavur. This linga is about 1010 years old. Sahasralinga, a place near Sirsi, is a very interesting place because there is a river called as Shalmala river which is flowing in this region all through the year. It submerges thousands of lingas in it, but these lingas are revealed once in a year, that is during Mahashivaratri. Mahashivaratri is usually held in the month of February or in the month of March. This is when we can see all these lingas emerging out of the Shalmala river. Isn't it a very interesting fact? Coming back to the structure of Shivalinga, we have seen so many other lingas even in South Asia and Southeast Asia. All the Shivalingas have two distinctive parts, the stamba and the yoni. You might have seen Abhishekam done on the Shivalinga. The cylindrical pillar enables the milk and water poured on the pillar to spread all over the structure, which is finally collected in the yoni. The stamba represents Parashiva and the yoni represents Parashakti. In order to keep the nuclear reactor cool, huge amount of water is required, and hence nuclear power stations are located near some water bodies. Just like any other Shiv Mandir, you can take the example of Kashi or the Sahasralinga, where all the temples of Shiva are usually located near a water body, and usually the cosmic pillar or the Shivalinga is kept cool by continuously pouring water or milk on it. So somewhere there is a link between the present nuclear power stations and the Shivalinga. Shiva is the ultimate creator and destroyer. Even the atomic power can be used productively or it can be used destructively. Once, the father of atomic power witnessed the first trial of his atomic bomb, and he just told a verse from Bhagavad Gita. He told that he has become a destroyer. This is the title taken by Lord Shiva. Now, there is a link between all these. Therefore, there is a chance that all these Shivlingas might be ancient nuclear power stations and hence they are continuously kept cool. There is also a theory that Lord Shiva is an alien. Let us discuss about it some other time. Please check out other videos in this channel. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.